What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of King's World. And today, we're tearing this boy down. Now, in previous videos, I did order a transmission for this boy. But I am so excited, it finally got here, yes! And a transmission I have. As you can see, I have it strapped down tight. That boy's going nowhere, you see? I did that for obvious reasons, but you know, today we're gonna start putting this thing in. Now when it comes to tearing this boy down to put it in the new transmission, I don't know where to start. This is my first time tearing apart a front wheel drive transmission from a drivetrain, so you know, I don't know where I'm gonna begin. Probably have to remove the airbox and all this stuff here, but you know, probably even drain the coolant. But that's not a problem. I live for catching fluids. Unfortunately, I have to work it right here because you know, the lift is occupied for the ram, which I've shown you guys in previous videos. But yeah, now that all that's said, let's get to tearing this boy down. Alright everybody, I just want to take a quick moment to pause to show you guys the setup that I'm dealing with. One thing I can tell you guys is now I'm relieved. The way it's set up, it looks like I don't have to remove the subframe. Thank God. Just this cross member to hold it up. But before all that, it looks like I have to remove these bolts that mount the transmission straight to the engine. And also right over here where this bracket is. Looks like I removed that first, and then I could take the, well, the way it looks, in there where you see that bolt, I don't know if I can show you, looks like I have to take the bracket straight off with it. Not a problem. I'll just take it off and put it on the new tranny. It's not a problem. But now that we see that, we're going to make a quick stop at the parts store, because it seems the way this tranny is set up, I could take a hex bolt and just catch the tranny fluid. I don't know if you guys remember in previous videos I said I ain't buying any more tranny fluid, especially this CVT transmission fluid. Yeah, that boy is actually expensive, $10 just for a quart, so you know that ain't happening. But enough talk, I'll meet you guys at the parts store. So what's up everybody? I'm in need of a tool. Help me find it so I can make this snap. Hello ma'am, how can I help you? Oh. I got a hex drain bolt on a tranny. What you got for me? 3. Thank you. This looks like this could be our size. I don't know. I hate to drive back here for this. You know, this might be a better bet. I don't know. It even comes with a little socket inserts. Alright, going with this. She says she's been here since 5 o'clock. This lady is an epitome of hard work around here. Come on, I want you at the register. Come on.
Come on, baby. Model of the vehicle, sir. What do we got? It's all.
I just needed to get this. You know, I found that transmission, right?
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
See, she stepped out and wanted to look at the transmission. That's it right there.
Well, y'all did good.
Oh, we tried.
And it's wrapped up, too.
Mm-hmm.
With the torque converter.
Yep.
Oh, you did excellent.
Thank you.
You did excellent. You got the torque converter and everything. Thumbs up. Can't wait to see it. You gonna let me see it when you put it in?
Sure, you go. You can check it out when I upload the video.
There you go. See you later.
All right, everybody. We got the tool. With that being said, let's jump back on this repair. So everybody, this is as far as I've gotten with the Jeep today. I have to come back in the morning to take care of the rest. But it's quite simple actually, but at the same time it is kind of difficult as well. You gotta remove these radiator lines right here to get to these bolts that hold on to the belt housing. At the same time I still have to remove this. Unfortunately I couldn't drain the coolant, but that's not to say I lost all of it, just some. The upper radiator hose, well, it didn't have much in it. It was all on the lower radiator hose. And since I couldn't really finesse anything to get to it, to put all the coolant inside, I just picked it up and tucked it under here. Coolant is still in there if you guys can see. Yeah, so but for now, I'm going to jump on removing this thing. So I'm thinking that's the thermostat housing. Anyway, enough talk, let's get back to it. So everyone, this is the fruit of our labor. Everything that stood in our way has been removed, and now nothing stands in the way of us getting to these housing bolts that were hiding away like thieves. It's actually been a good day of work. I'm actually proud of myself. I feel a bit accomplished, especially with this steering pump right here. Those bolts were kind of difficult to pull out, but like I said, today was a good day. We accomplished much, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. So everybody, it's the next day. And now that we spent the good part of yesterday removing the components that are in the way of us removing the transmission, like the air box and thermostat housing, we can get to the other components in our way of removing the transmission, like the belt housing bolts, the bracket bolts, and also the nut in that wheel. But now that we got that taken care of, let's jump back into the repair. So everybody, after a long day of jiggling, finessing, doing what we had to do to get this boy out, we've come a long way. This boy is finally out of the vehicle, and now there's room to put in the new one. But unfortunately, it's not going to be in this video that we put the new one in. I know, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. But with that being said, that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your bell notification to be notified when I open up a new video. And also, if you want to be up to date with the happenings of this Jeep, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Prince's World. With that being said, that's going to be it. Until next time, Prince out.